Hello, food lovers. Technology is everywhere, even our kitchens. Remember when microwaves were new? Now we have fancy gadgets that make cooking easier and more fun. These gadgets help us cook faster and try new recipes, but can robots be real chefs? That's what we're going to find out. Imagine a chef who never gets tired or cuts their finger. That's a robot chef. They are being designed to cook with amazing accuracy. They follow recipes perfectly, measuring each ingredient precisely. Some robots can even flip pancakes and chop vegetables. They're like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, helping us with the boring parts of cooking. Robots are great at following instructions, but can they be creative? Cooking is not just about following recipes, it's about adding your personal touch. Humans use their senses to taste and adjust flavors. We cook with love and create memories around food. Can robots do that? Not yet. So can robots replace chefs? I don't think so. But they can be fantastic helpers in the kitchen. Imagine robots doing the chopping and stirring while we focus on creating delicious and innovative dishes. The future of cooking might be a collaboration between humans and robots, each bringing their unique strengths to the table.